Applying for asylum in Canada can be a complex process, but understanding each step can make it more manageable. In this video, we'll guide you through the process from determining your eligibility to what happens after your hearing. First, assess if you're eligible to make a refugee claim in Canada. You must be in Canada and unable to return to your home country due to a well-founded fear of persecution based on race, religion, political opinion, nationality, or membership in a particular social group. Or you will face risk to life of unhuman treatment. Gather all necessary documents including identification, travel documents, and a completed basis of claim form. Ensure you have electronic copies ready for submission. Asylum applications are done online now through the IRCC portal. You can do this step alone, but it is highly advisable to retain someone professional to do it, as this step includes presenting your basis of claim. As the name suggests, it is the foundation of your case. If done wrong, it might kill your case or damage it. In movies you see police telling the person, "You have the right to keep silent." This is because every word could harm your case. Normal people do not know what is legal weight or meaning in the legal domain of the normal language we use in everyday life. After submitting your claim, you'll receive an acknowledgement of claim letter confirming receipt. You'll also get instructions for a medical exam and federal health care through the Interim Federal Health Program, a document detailing what to expect next. Attend the scheduled appointment, where an immigration officer will verify your eligibility. An immigration officer will take your fingerprints and seize your passports. The officer will confirm some of the information mentioned in your documents. While awaiting a decision, you may be eligible for an open work permit. Ensure you keep your contact information up to date to receive all notifications. You must inform the immigration and the IRB about any change in address or marital status as soon as possible. As a refugee claimant, you have access to healthcare services, including hospital care, vision and emergency dental care, and prescription medications through the Interim Federal Health Program. If the Immigration and Refugee Board accepts your claim, you'll attain Convention Refugee or Protected Person status, allowing you to apply for permanent residence. If your claim is rejected, you'll need to explore other options such as appeal to the Refugee Appeal Division or prepare to leave Canada. Navigating the asylum process can be challenging. LMRT is here to help. Call us at 4387-006-165. We'll guide you through the process and help you prepare the strongest case possible.